Hey folks, welcome to another Triple T Thursday. For those just joining us, that's tools, tips, and talk, where we'll discuss info for the knife maker. I know what you're thinking, kind of dark in the shop today, but we're going to fix that. A company reached out to me, jc-lgl lighting, to see if I wanted to try some of their shop lights. So these are high bay lights that they sent me that I'm going to install in the shop. I've always had a problem with it being kind of dark in here, so I'm looking forward to lighting up the shop. Let's go take a look. So here's what they sent me. This is a 4-pack and 2 singles. These are either 200, 150, or 120 watt switchable lights. And they're pretty big. Let's open up one of these on the table and I'll show you what they look like. So I got one open. Here's what they look like. These things are about 14 inches across. They're meant to hang, so they come with these hooks so you can hang them from the ceiling, and they're regular heavy-duty 110 plugs. So first thing, I want to turn this on and see how bright it is. Let's just set this up over here so you guys can kind of see it without getting blinded. Alright, so here goes. Oh, jeez. That is bright. Let's see, if I think it's at 200 watts. Let's turn it down. It's a little bright for right now. Yeah. So that is plenty bright. I think I got it set on the lowest setting right now. Yeah, now I got to figure out how to get these installed. Let's go take a look at where we're going to put them. I'm really impressed with the construction of these. These are all metal. They're not plastic at all. Really sturdy. The hook's metal. It even comes, if you want to dim these, it comes with a little dongle here. You can hook up a dimmer, which I'm not going to do, but yeah, really solid construction on these. Alright, so here's the table we were at. Here's my 2 grinders, and above them is this cheap light, which just helps me grind, and then the main light source is that strip light, which isn't very bright. So I'm probably going to replace that strip light. I'm probably going to put one right there and another over there. So I'll have 3 lights in front of this storage. And then over here, this is where the sink is. It's a particularly dark area of the shop, so I'm probably going to put one there, one over the door, and then one over there. So that'll be 6 total, and that, I think, will give us lots of light. So just to show you guys how dark it is in my shop right now, this is generally how lit it is, just as a comparison for later. So I put one light up here just for a test right over the grinders. It's really bright, which is great. I happen to already have an outlet up here behind this air filter, so this light was fine. Nice and bright. Because these things already come with a plug on them, I don't really want to cut these off just in case I want to move them or unplug them at some point. So what I'm going to do is just wire up some boxes to the ceiling, be able to plug in a couple of these. One of them I'm just going to put one of these on a cable, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with a couple of junction boxes. So yeah, let's get it wired up. Well, I got all my hooks in place. You can see one there, one up here, over there. There's one behind that stuff and one behind this stuff. There's one of the outlets, and there's the other outlet over there. That'll feed these 2, and that'll feed those 2. And I've got a direct line coming off here, so we should be good. Wiring done. I haven't tacked up the cords yet, but I'll do that once the lights are installed. Let's get them in and see how bright it is. So I'm across the room over here because this is where the light switch is, but gonna turn this on and you're gonna see the difference. Here we go. Boom. So the shop is totally lit now. It's so bright in fact that you can't actually look up at the lights, or it kind of puts spots in your eyes. But I really love it. All of the grinders especially are all nice and lit up. My middle table, the far tables, even the surface grinder over there that I've always had a problem with, everything is nice and super lit. I love it. If you guys want to get some of these lights, there's a link down in the description. I think they're about 69, 70 bucks a piece. Again, I have 6. It's probably overkill. I probably could have done with 4 and then cranked them up to 200 watt. But super bright, great quality. Go check them out. Thanks, folks. We'll see you on the next one.